Why e-commerce is important? Because there are over 2 billion people in the world who are shopping online. And in this video, we're discussing why it is important for you. Let's just quickly jump into the video. Hi, I'm Gurpreet Bhatia, also known as UXing. I'm the founder director of Flying Saints. We're a team of digital strategists, coders, and UX designers design user-friendly websites and mobile apps for business owners and professionals, which actually help them increase their sales and reduce their time and effort. And today we're discussing why e-commerce is for you. If you are on the fence about launching your e-commerce store, then look no further. You are at the right place because I'll be discussing why e-commerce only. So why e-commerce? Today we are witnessing the biggest technological revolutions of all time, where more and more people are actually getting on board on e-commerce and selling online and buying online. So India, our country, is actually at number second in terms of overall sales growth, where more and more people are actually buying and selling on e-commerce. That is why everyone has to be there. As I said, it has actually grown 20% year on year. E-commerce industry is growing at a staggering rate of 20%. With over 2 billion people, the total population of the world is 8 billion. With over 2 billion people, 1/4 of the entire world population is online, buying stuff online, be it clothes, be it groceries, be it any services. They are actually looking for services, products online. So what experts have to say about all this? So Bill Gates has actually said that if your business is not on the internet, then you will be very much out of the business. So you have to find whatever offline version of the business you do. You may be a yoga instructor, you can sell your yoga digitally. You may be into groceries, you are a manufacturer or a business owner, or any professional service you are into, be it physical or a digital. The product has to be there. If you have a product which you can actually sell online, go on e-commerce, go on the web and start selling your product. It does not matter whether you have a physical product like a grocery or any electronic item. If you are into any services like yoga instructor, or you are a gym instructor, you can actually sell your services online. That's what e-commerce is for you. Many people will say that I don't know whether I can sell online or not. But I must tell you everybody that it is super simple and e-commerce is for everybody. Even if you have no previous experience of how to run an e-commerce website, even if you don't know how to actually market your website when you're online, or even if you don't know where to start and what platform to choose, I have dedicated videos on that. Go check them out and you have all the information you need. I must tell you, you can actually start your e-commerce business in less than 24 hours. That's all the time it takes. You just need to have a product, be it physical like a product like a grocery, or digital like a services you want to sell online, and you are up and ready in less than 24 hours to sell your products online, and more people will be buying from you. Now let's just see what are the benefits of getting online. The biggest benefit of e-commerce is that it actually never sleeps. So your store will be up and running when people will be buying online 24/7, 365 days. Let's take an example of a sales guy. A sales guy who do sales and marketing for you in your business, who generates sales, who sell products for you. He'll definitely not work for 24 hours a day. He'll not work for 7 days a week, and definitely not work for 365 days a year. So there will be holidays. But when your store is up and running, there will be no holidays. People can actually reach out to you any time of the day, any time of the month, any time of the year. You will be available 24/7, 365, and that's the biggest benefit. Taking that example of the sales guy further, a sales guy will be working on a geographical location. He will be working on a specific area where he will be doing sales and marketing. But when your store is online, then throughout the world, more and more people can buy. So there are no geographical limitations when it comes to owning a store online. A retail store has their geographical limitation, where people from in and around 20 kilometers will be coming and buying your stuff. But though that store is online, it is available to the mass audience, a wider network. Moving on, when you are online, then you can actually explore a target market, a specific country you can actually look into. Let's say my store is in India and I want to sell it to Dubai. So I can run campaigns, I can run ads specifically to Dubai. I can explore new customers, new markets when I am online. But with the retail store, it is not possible. So these are some of the biggest benefits, being 24/7 online, no geographical conditions, and you can reach out to new and new customers, new and new markets where you can specifically target them and sell your product. Another benefit is that it is available on mobile, and it actually benefits both the user and the business owner. We all know that mobile is the second thing which is with us all the time after our shadow. So people shop through mobile. More than 80% people are actually shopping from mobile. And as a business owner, you can actually manage all the operations of your business through this device. So you don't need any big teams to run your business. This is your only team wherein you can actually run all the functions of your business, be it orders, be it shipping, be it anything. You can track everything from mobile as a business owner, and the user can also track each and everything when he is getting his product, what he has ordered. So the mobile adaptivity is one of the biggest factors and the benefit of e-commerce. That's why more and more people are jumping on this bandwagon. Also automation. In e-commerce, while running your store, you can actually automate 70 to 80% of the entire repetitive functions which you have to do daily. So there is a big wave which has come into e-commerce to automate the entire business so that you can save time for you, for your next business or for your family. So people actually see e-commerce as their passive income because they don't have to spend more time running business operation, because this business can be on automation throughout. So this is one of the biggest factor where if you are thinking of actually starting e-commerce as your second business, you can actually do that, because most of the part of the business will be on the automation, and this will bring more and more money to you. Let's see what are the platforms which are available in the market which are scalable and can help you set up your store in less than one day. So there are 4 big platforms which actually rule the entire e-commerce industry. There is Shopify, there is WordPress, there is Magento, there is BigCommerce. But my personal favorite is Shopify, because it has a very fair price. It starts at $29 per month as a fee to set up your e-commerce store, and it is very user friendly. If somebody is looking to start their e-commerce store, they should definitely get on Shopify. I have a dedicated video on Shopify. If you want to quickly see, the link is right here. Just see why Shopify is the one. If you are actually starting your e-commerce store, why you should be doing on Shopify. Now tell me, if you have any questions about e-commerce or what platform you should choose as your first e-commerce store, you can actually reach out to me in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I'll answer each and every one of them. And if you want Flying Saints, us as an agency, to design and develop your e-commerce store, then you can reach out to us through the descriptions link. There is a free virtual 20-minute discovery call I'm giving, where I'll come over the Zoom and I'll answer each and every one of your questions if you have about e-commerce or what platform you should choose and how you can scale your brand. By then, stay tuned. I'll be sharing more videos on e-commerce. Do watch them all, and I'll soon see you with another video. Thank you.